Exercise science students can complete their required internship as a study abroad in Australia for 4 credit hours. The study abroad occurs annually each summer from mid-May until mid-July in either Perth or Melbourne.
My roles through my internship were to work with semi-professional and professional athletes on their strength training and conditioning programs. We worked with a lot of athletes who were recovering from an injury like an ACL, and we would shadow the physiotherapist on site.
Students could be in Australian rules football teams, fitness and athletic performance, physiotherapy, or chiropractic care. Every experience is tailored to a student's interests, personal and professionally.
I learned how to connect with everyone through this experience. It was really interesting getting out there and just talking to everyone and doing all of the new things that were presented to me. And I kind of carried that through when I came back.
All majors can apply to the study abroad. Those who have interest in health and human performance would probably be the best applicants. Kinesiology students, though, need to complete KIN 381, the prerequisite, before they go on the trip.
I learned a lot about how relaxed Australians are and how they go about their daily life compared to how we do. They're very laid back, they enjoy what they do, and they do it really well. They're very hard workers.
Applications are open in the fall semester by October 1st and they close on November 1st. Decisions are made by winter break.
Advice I would have for future students would be to get out and explore and just see everything there is to offer. The program is only 2 months long, so taking every opportunity you have to go out and explore and learn more and meet new people.